Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change controls of keybinds in Subnautica 2. It's quite easy. All you need to do, simply select settings and select the controls tab. Right here if you scroll, you're gonna see the actions whose keys you can change. So whichever key you wanna change, simply look for that. I wanna change the key for reload, and there you go, this is the option for reload. So we need to simply click on the previous key and just need to enter the key we wanna use for reload. Let's say I wanna enter Q. If I press Q, I have this pop-up. This shows that the key is already bound to another action. So in that case we can simply hit cancel, and let's say this time I wanna try Y. Okay, Y is assigned to reload. Now we can use Y for reload, and the best part is that we have two slots. It means we can use two keys for each action. Like for jump we use spacebar, but if I use the second slot and enter T, we can use T and spacebar for jump. Like if I don't wanna press the spacebar for jump, I can use T. That way my player will jump too. It is that easy. To save the changes, just simply hit the escape button or just close the menu, and the changes will be saved on your game automatically. So yeah guys, that's it. This is exactly how you'll able to change controls in Subnautica 2. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.